Some spaces are built, others are experienced. For years, Ducon Outdoor Living has been turning empty backyards into the space families actually live in. Engineered, manufactured, and installed under one roof. We don't just sell outdoor living, we manufacture it. Every product in our collection, pavers, pergolas, water features, is designed and produced in our own labs. Every project starts the same way, not with a product, but with a conversation. In our showroom, we listen first. Your lifestyle, your space, your vision, before a single material is chosen. Our collection is organized around one question: what does your life actually need from this space? Our engineers visit your property in person. Every measurement, every slope, every square meter, captured precisely because a design is only as good as the site it's built on. From 2D layouts to lifelike 3D renders, you see your finished space before a single paver is laid, because the best time to make a change is before it's built, not after. Once your design is approved, a detailed quotation sets everything in motion, and when the proposal is signed, your project moves from vision to production. This is also where we introduce Ansahak, our complimentary site quality assurance service. A dedicated engineer is assigned to your project, overseeing contractor coordination, quality checks, and daily progress, so you don't have to materials arrive on schedule. The foundation is built to Ducon standard, compacted, tested, verified. Then, paver by paver, your design becomes ground beneath your feet. Before we call any project complete, it's inspected again. Every joint, every line, every drainage slope, checked against our own standard before it's checked against yours. Then comes the moment the entire process was built for. The day you walk into a space that used to be an empty yard, and we don't disappear after handover. With ongoing maintenance, Ducon stays part of your outdoor life for years.